I've been getting lots of questions about what is the federal retirement course, so I just wanted to give you a quick peek behind the scenes of what every federal employee should be signing up for. It's a completely free course, federalretirementcourse.com, and inside of the course you can see that we have 17 different modules broken down everything about your federal retirement. So you can go in and look at just the modules that you want to pay attention to, if you're special provisions, if you're a law enforcement, air traffic control, or firefighter, just want to learn more about Social Security or Medicare, you want to learn just about the TSP while working, and if you're retired, we've got options for all of that. We've got so many different free modules in here, years and years of work put into this, even how to fill out the paperwork and all the different ways to understand your federal retirement and everything about it. So it's over 12 hours of content, but you don't have to go through every single module if you don't want to. You can also do it in bite-sized pieces whenever you get in here, and you take a module. When you come back, it's going to keep track of where you're at. You can continue where you left off or go somewhere else, but completely free course, one of the best resources I've ever seen for federal employees. Get in there, federalretirementcourse.com.